Okay guys, so our first experiment is water vacuum. For this experiment you will need a coin, a box of matches, coloured water, in this case I've used orange, you can use any colour you want, an empty glass and a plate. You guys, you will need to take a match and break it 1/4, like so. Next, use the coin to balance it. And then take the glass of coloured water and fill it up so it's halfway. Don't fill it up too much because we want to make sure that the match is still sticking up. Now carefully light your match. Once ignited, now carefully place the cup over the water. Now instantly, as you can see, the water starts sucking up. This is because the heat from the match creates an airtight bubble around the glass, making it suck all the water up. Number 2, picking up ice with string. For this experiment you'll need a plate, a piece of string, an ice cube and some salt. First of all, take your ice cube and place it on the plate. Then put your string on top of it. Here's a tip: wet your string before you do the experiment. Then put some salt on top of it and try picking it up. You will see that the ice cube immediately attaches to the string. This is because the salt makes the ice cube refreeze with the string as well. I bet you didn't know that was coming. Number 3, avoid the pepper. For this experiment, you will need a bowl of water, some fairy liquid, and a pepper grinder. Firstly, open the pepper grinder, grind some pepper into the bowl. Make sure the water is fully covered with pepper. Next, take a drop of a fairy liquid and put it onto one of your fingers. Try dipping your finger into the pepper mixture, and you can see instantly the pepper moves away. Pretty cool, huh? Number 4, orange candle. For this experiment, you will need some oil, a box of matches, an orange, and a knife. First of all, start off by cutting the orange as far down as its skin, all the way around. Once done, with your fingers carefully take the top layer of the skin off, making sure the middle stem is still intact. What you should be left with is an empty orange with a little bit of stem in it. Now next, pour some oil into the orange, but don't cover the tip of the stem. Next, light your match and you'll see that you made your own orange candle! Amazing! Number 5, sticky rice. For this experiment you will need a bowl of rice, an empty bottle, a stick and a piece of paper. Now take the piece of paper and roll it up into a funnel. Once done, place it on top of your empty bottle. Take your rice and pour it carefully into your funnel. Making sure to shake it to make sure the rice fits well. Your rice is in the bottle, take your stick and jab it in. Now try taking it out. And look what happens, it's stuck. This is because the rice is so tightly packed that it won't let you take the stick out. Clever, huh?